case that I'm going to be painting. I've already opened up like 20-30 times now since I bought it. I bought it like 8 months ago because it was on sale. And I got the silver version, but I would rather have a black and red one. So let's take this out. I'll give you a quick look at it. And when we come back here in a minute, it should be all taken apart. I really believe that this is a beautiful case. If I ever build me an ITX system, I would be definitely going for the 240 Air that they just came out with. That case is also beautiful. I looked at a lot of cases before I actually went with this one. And I wanted something unique, but a lot of the gaming cases they got out there just, I thought were over the top. So I went with this one. And I would have bought the black one, but this one came with the LEDs in the front, the LED fans. And I got it for like 40 bucks cheaper, so that's why I bought this one. I got some metallic black, some cherry red, and some clear enamel to go over it. I'm going to be covering all the silver up with the metallic black, and the fins between this matte black plastic covers here, we'll be doing with the cherry red. So I'm going to go ahead and strip this case apart and be back with you here in a minute. Alright, I'm back. I have the case completely disassembled. I got the grills up in here, front panel, side panel, glass panel, plexiglass, whatever you want to call it. Took the acrylic out, got it sitting over on the side. Wanted to do the PCIe slot covers, all the rest of the panels. I'm only going to really paint one of these because I only need one for now. I got an optical drive going in. And there's my buttons. Go ahead and took them out. I'm going to go ahead and paint those too. This is what's left of the case. Give you a close-up view of it, and then after that, next time you'll see me will be with painting parts, and I'll have it back together. The moment has come. The case is finished. We await the unveiling. Ba, ba, ba. Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Give me a quick walk around. all this was done with some regular spray paint and a couple scratch pads. In the back, I didn't really paint nothing back here except for the PCI slots. The slot covers. It's gonna look so sick once I get the computer actually put together. If you want, I'll give you a sneak peek of the parts I already got. That's it. Z98 Pro. Oh, is there another one? Oh my god. Oh. What's that in there? Oh my god, there's 3 of them. Oh. I'm going to put 2 of those in RAID 0 for the operating system, and then I'm going to get another one of these and put it in RAID 0 too, so I can have like massive SSD going on. Bought some awesome fan filters. Those came from South Africa. Took like a month and a half to come in, but they're custom fit to every single hole on this case, especially the ones underneath that everyone complains about. Got me a K95 keyboard back there. Got the M65 right there. The big boy, super long mouse pad. Let's see what we got down here. This is pretty neat. I got this hooked up already. Got all my photos on it. My wife's computer's all backed up to it. Nice thing to buy. So we got Asus Blu-ray reader. Does it all. Got me a couple extra fans. These are the SPs. They will be going on this bad boy right here. Got another white LED to put in the back to replace the gray one that came with the case. Webcam, just so I got a webcam. And here's the other beast here. 1200i. And then in this brown little package, got braided cables. Yeah, those are gonna look sweet in there too. Well, if you liked the video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and should have more coming.